Is GST applicable to clubs? So is GST applicable to the clubs for any services provided to their members? So this has always been a litigative and controversial issue which has been there since service tax days, and recently a judgment was passed in favor of the club in the case of Calcutta club, where Supreme Court told any services provided by the club to its members doesn't covered under service tax and it is not a service. So to counter that, what the government did was they inserted a new clause AA, in the scope of supply. Now what it says is any activities or transactions by a person other than individual to its members or constituents or vice versa for cash, deferred payment or other valuable consideration. So what they have told is now any association, that's any person other than an individual, so that includes clubs, associations or any group of persons, if they are providing any activity or transactions to its members or constituents or vice versa, that is from members any activities or transactions by a member to the club or association or club or association to its members, whether for cash, deferred payment or any other valuable consideration, will be treated as supply. So this is to cover up the judgment which has been given by the Supreme Court, and to levy GST on such transactions. Going further, they have inserted one explanation also to this subclause, to this clause. What it says is clubs or association and members shall be deemed to be two separate persons. So they are bringing deeming provision here. Since Supreme Court, what they told was club and members are one, so you cannot give service to self. So what this deeming provision brings in this clause is they are deeming that the club or an association and its members are two separate persons, so there can be an activity or transactions between two separate persons and a GST can be levied. So this new clause which has been inserted from 1st January 2022, so all the associations, group of persons and clubs should be very careful and ensure GST is applied, though this provision will be again challenged in the court of law, but to be on the safer side, all the associations and clubs should charge GST for any services or any supply be made to members. Thank you.